In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal international transfer problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the error message. Read the full error message carefully and note the exact issue to find the right solution faster. You might need to simply go ahead and verify your recipient details as well. Check recipient's email or phone number, confirm the correct country and currency, ensure the account is verified if required. If that is not the case, you might need to check your account status, make sure that your account is verified, check for any account limitations, and resolve any pending actions or restrictions. The other thing you want to do is ensure a sufficient balance or funding. Check your PayPal balance or linked funding sources and ensure you have enough funds, including fees, and try another payment method if needed. Some countries or currencies have limits. Make sure that you simply go ahead and check those and then check PayPal supported countries and currencies and use an alternative currency if allowed. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your remaining spending limit, review fees and exchange rates, and try another payment option. You also need a stable internet connection. Also, clear your browse cache or browser cache if you're using one, or disable VPN if you use one. If none of it works, then simply go ahead and contact paypal.com/us/smart help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.